Welcome back to another Amazon seller discussion. If you're an Amazon seller looking for ways to reduce fulfillment fees, Amazon's Ship and Product Packaging, or known as SIPP, might be a great fit for your business. Previously known as Ships in Own Container, the SIPP program allows sellers to ship in their own packaging, eliminating the need for additional Amazon branded boxes or materials. Why should you consider SIPP? For sellers whose products can ship as is without additional packaging, SIPP offers multiple benefits. First, it lowers FBA fulfillment fees. Since your product ships in its own original packaging, Amazon reduces the fulfillment costs. Second, it may improve customer experience. Depending on your packaging, buyers will receive your product in the branded packaging rather than Amazon's outer box. And finally, it's eco-friendly in shipping. The program reduces packaging waste, which contributes to Amazon's sustainability initiatives and lower the carbon footprint. Let's consider if this program is right for you. SIPP is not for all products. It's best suited for sellers whose packaging is already designed to withstand shipping without extra Amazon materials. If your products are fragile, contains liquid, or have a sharp component, additional testing or packaging modifications may be considered before registering to SIPP. Now that we've covered the benefits, I'll walk you through how to enroll in the SIPP program for your eligible ASINs. To find this page, you can simply search for the SIPP in the search bar, or you can type in sellercentral.amazon.com/SIPP-enrollment. And it'll take you to this page that I'm seeing right here. You can scroll down and see all the eligible ASINs that you can enroll in SIPP for. I'm going to show you how to enroll in this wheel clamp product here today. And as you can see, the per unit fee savings is about $1.21 to $1.32 per unit sold. Awesome. Now let's click on Edit Product Group and Enroll. Once you go in here, you can just follow the instructions, the next steps, and add details to enroll. Now in step 2, you got to choose the rigid box or poly flexible bag. Mine's a rigid box, so I'll select that. Next, I'll click self-test. And here you'll need to upload 5 photos, which I'll show you later. But first, I want to talk about what each photo entails. The first photo requires the first 3 sides of your box or bag. In the second photo, you'll need to have the other 3 sides of your box or bag. In the third photo, you'll need to show the container, which it could be a box or bag, and then your products as well in one photo. In the fourth image, you'll need to show the product packaging after the tests that you've done. And in the fifth photo, you'll need to show the products inside your packaging as is in the image. And to find more information about the tests, you can go into the link in the description. You can choose to or choose not to do the test. You can just simply take the pictures if you'd like. I simply just upload the pictures because my products have been shipping in our packaging as is already, but we were not getting these benefits. So that's why we just upload the pictures. However, if you're unsure if your product can withstand shipping in its own packaging, please go through that test instructions link in the description and test the product yourself. Now that we've discussed the 5 photo requirements, I'm going to show you the photos that I took for this SIPP enrollment. As you can see here, this is the first photo, showed the first 3 sides, the top and 2 of the sides in the middle. Next, I flipped the box over so I can get a picture of the bottom. Now it's facing up, and the other 2 sides of the box I haven't taken a photo of yet. In the third photo, I have the product packaging and the products itself inside taken out in one photo. In the fourth image, this is the product packaging as is after the test. And finally, here is the products inside on its own after the test as well. And once you've done that, you can just go down here and upload the images. You can easily just drag them in here and they will upload below. Just a quick note that each image must be under 1 megabyte each, otherwise it won't upload. And next, just click confirm and continue. Then now you get to choose a date of the first arrival of your products in this packaging. I just chose the next available date because my products are already available to ship in its own packaging. But you may be, if you're making an update to your packaging and you're going to ship in a new type of packaging that allows you to do this SIPP program, then you would select that date of arrival at FBA. And that's it. That's your process in enrolling in SIPP. And the ship and product packaging program is a win-win for both sellers and customers because it lowers fulfillment costs, enhances branding, and reduces waste. If your product is already shipping in durable packaging, this program could save you a significant amount on fulfillment fees while improving your customer experience. Let me know your thoughts about this program in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on Amazon discussions. See you next time.